Well, here we are on Old Man Cart Blizzard Special with Tromba. Here on Old Man Cart. Here at Fort Tryon Gardens, where, as we see the people getting out of the A train, and look at it's the beginning of Fort Tryon Park right up there. And Tromba, she likes the snow. Right, Tromba? You like the snow? Let's go. She likes the snow here on Old Man Cart, and there's... Oh, and look who this is. There she is. It's Chumby. She's going outside.
This is going to be massive.
Here on Old Man Cart.
Just getting started.
That's right. Well, here we are, and maybe we should see. Did she do a poopy before? She just did her pee-pee. Did she do a poop?
No. No.
Well, let's try to walk her a little bit. Here on Old Man Cart. We got it. And here we are in the blizzard. This is Bennett Avenue. And here's Tromba. She's trying to figure out what she wants to do. Hey, Tromba.
So people move to Sunday.
And people have rescheduled. Their various clients have rescheduled the various issues that they have and appointments. And uh-oh, here comes another dog. We have to go across the street here on Old Man Cart because that dog is coming, and Tromba doesn't like. She doesn't like other dogs. Right, Tromba? She's got to watch out for that other dog. She doesn't like. Okay, she doesn't like the other dogs. Let's go this way because here we are on beautiful Bennett Avenue, walking Tromba, as we've got a nor'easter blizzard, and of course we'll be giving you updates as they happen, and make sure all of you have plenty of fluids and take aspirin or whatever you need to do to get through this. Here on Old Man Cart.